When you've been working in the brewery for a few days and you're out there with the dogs and the sheep, you get up there on dawn, the lake's calm and that, and it's just a pretty good vista. Didn't really grow up on a farm. We used to live out at Poronui Station. Yeah, just felt drawn to it, the physicalness of it, the outdoors, love seeing animals grow and getting up early. So we've got 330 acres, not a big farm. We finish approximately 10,000 lambs a year, and then we have a herd of Simmental cows, about 180 cows. I happened to be in Australia at the time, and a mate gave me a bottle of Cooper's beer. I had a bit of a light bulb moment, thinking that here we are protecting the water going to Lake Taupo. We could use that water, turn it into a business, brewing beer that could hopefully go generations. So we had very rapid growth. It took off. It's sort of just been slowly growing ever since, really. Back then it was not too simple. Obviously we started a brewery. I think a lot of people looked at us sideways. Thought it was probably half mad when we did it. So it's been one hell of a learning curve. You're striving for perfection all the time, and it's bloody hard to get because you've got so many variables. You're always tinkering, you're always tweaking. Typical day around here, usually starts in the morning, a couple of cups of coffee, jump on the quad, head down in the shed and switch the boilers on, the lights on, in preparation for brewing. Let the dogs out, and we've got Jazz and a heading dog called Mouse, and then I have Jade. We were rocking it out and muster the hills, usually send the hunterways out there. Rory's about an hour behind me. We'll get the grain out, what we need for that particular brew in the day, and then we'll start milling it. By then we'll usually roll on with a bit of bottling. Rory was 20 when he started here. He's a bit of a natural at it. Since Rory's taken over, we've started winning a lot of awards, and we aim to make sure that our beers are consistent. If we're not getting medals, then we're doing something wrong. So with the grains, we mainly feed them to the cattle. It's like having porridge on a winter's morning. Keeps them warm, keeps them happy. A lot of people don't think there's art in brewing, but to me it's about following your instincts, a bit like farming, I suppose. Bit of gut feel in there, hopefully got some good taste buds. The uniqueness of the water, it's such a clean drinking water, and you do notice that when you do try different waters, it just allows the hops and malts to shine through. Yeah, hopefully we're making Taupo proud. Especially now, it's more about the social aspect of it and the community aspect of it. I suppose at the end of the day, we just wanted to get up to antics and a bit of mischief and have a bit of fun along the way, and that's how Lakeman came about.